data, again, is coming at immense rates. The data is just sitting there. Instead of just the data sitting there, how can we actually make use of that data?
So Vaccine is a Department of Homeland Security Center of Excellence that was created in 2008 to create tools to help the Homeland Security personnel and public safety officials take the massive data that exists and turn it into interactive tools to help them get information to make better decisions.
The entire notion of visual analytics is to actually bring in the human intelligence in the loop.
Visual analytics was going to sort of be this combination of visualization, human-computer interaction, human factors, machine learning.
And ultimately, we try to package all of that in software that is as usable as possible for the people that we design it for. In some way, it comes down to making data science more usable for people who are not formally trained in data science.
As technology's improved and made us more efficient in documenting information, we've actually become less effective at interpreting the information.
So in creating the center, it led to the creation of the field of visual analytics as a research area. So the real goal was to say, can you take tools that work in scientific applications, can you bring them into intelligence applications?
One of the biggest assets that we have are the relationships that we've established with our actual end users. So that's really critical and key for our success that we've had so far.
We start off by working with our partner agencies, find out what problems they have, decide what information's available and raw data's available, look at how they do it, and then determine how we can create a tool to help them make a better decision and take advantage of a new data source.
Partnering and interacting with real-world agencies has been tremendously beneficial.
It allows us to ground some of our theoretical principles that we develop in academia.
All the research that we produce, all the applications that we produced, all of them came out of a need, of a requirement from the actual end user.
End users spend several days working with us, whether they're Coast Guard officers or police officers, sit in our lab, work with our students, and it's this iterative refinement and constant working with the end user to make sure that we are solving their problem.
Our research really merges the actual analytics that can be done from the data and the human intelligence. So when we merge them together, you have a fantastic product that you can actually use and be more effective in your operations.
Vaccine has developed the first tools that were certified for use by any DHS component. We've developed tools that are used by over 50 public safety agencies across the country, at the local to the national level. I would say that one of the unique strengths of Vaccine has been in taking problems, creating academic research, and transition deployed tools that have an impact on the community.
Oftentimes in academic research, it can be difficult to say the fundamental theories we develop, here is how they are practically applied. And Vaccine has done a nice job of giving us a few of those outlets where the research community can now point to specific instances where we made people's lives better and easier.
I can show my research can really impact to the real world application and affect to the agency and to solve their problem.
Over the past 5 years, I think visual analytics as an area has really grown.
So it's a growing field, I think, and there are a lot of unsolved problems and a lot of challenges that still exist.
So we've really advanced the state of the art. We've helped define a discipline. We've created an international network of researchers working in this area. And also through this, the team members have led to commercialization of technology.
We're advancing the frontier, we're advancing the work, we're innovating and creating new solutions.